Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and I'm coming to you all today with pretty much a Father's Day stretch cord bracelet. Okay, so we're going to be making a stretch cord bracelet today, and we're going to be using some 10 millimeter oval check glass beads. You're going to need 6 of these. You're going to need 6. And then you're going to need 10, and you're going to need 15. Listen to me, 10. You're going to need 15 of the 10 millimeter marbled glass beads. Okay, these are called marble glass beads. These are some beads that I purchased from dollarbead.com. 10 millimeter marbled glass. You're going to need 15 of those. You're going to need your wire cutters. You're going to need a spacer bead. All right, the reason why I buy the spacer bead, this particular spacer bead you get from Amazon.com, but I buy it because of the nice size hole that it has. Now, if you don't have anything like this, just make sure that you have something that you can use to hide your knot in your hole, okay? And the very last thing you're going to need is some stretch magic cord, the 1 millimeter / 0.39 inches. And you can find this at Hobby Lobby, Joann's Fabric. You can also find this at Michael's, okay? So basically what you're going to do is you're going to take a generous amount of your stretch cord, okay? And you're going to pre-stretch it. Now, the reason why we pre-stretch our cord is so that you can have a long wear of your bracelet. That's why you pre-stretch it. This cord, if you don't stretch it and you just put your beads on, once it starts stretching, it's going to leave gaps in between your beads, okay? You will have, if you have a bracelet that you really like, or you've created it, or you're making it for yourself or someone, make sure you pre-stretch your cord. It's so important to do that, okay? So that when people buy it, they'll have it for a while, all right? So now we're gonna go ahead and start applying on our beads. So I'm gonna take 5 of these and add 5 on first. But actually, before I do that, I need to take 1 of my 10 millimeter check glass beads, and this is an oval shaped bead. And once again, like I said, I purchased these beads from dollarbead.com. I'm going to make sure I leave the link, all the information down in the description box. Now I'm going to add on 5 of these. And also, could y'all please make sure that you thumbs up this here video so that this video can go into rotation. Thank you so much. So we're going to add on 5 of these, and then when we get to the last 5, the last one, we're going to add on another glass bead. So we're doing something really different for the dads this year, okay? They're getting something really nice, all right? So now you want to add on 2 more of your marbled bead, and then you're going to add on another check glass bead. All right, so you add that on, and then you're going to add on 2 more of your marbled glass beads. Now I'm going to go over to the opposite side, which is this side over here, and I'm going to pretty much do the same thing on this side that I did over here. So I'm going to add on 2 more of my marbled beads, and then another Czech glass bead. Okay, and then I'm going to add on 2 more marbled beads, just 2, and then I'm going to show y'all so far what we have. So basically, this is what the bracelet is looking like. So you have 5 down here, 2, 2, 1 Czech glass in the middle, and then 2. So now we're going to add on, did I lose something? We're going to add on 1 more of your one of your Czech glasses over here. And then we're going to add 1 of your Czech glass over on this side. And then we're going to add a marble bead on both sides. So 1 on this side and 1 on this side. Now you want to count to make sure. Let's just count and see how many we have all together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now you're going to have 22. It should be a total of 22 beads altogether. Okay, 22 beads altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 of the marble ones and 6 of the oval Czech glass ones, okay? So now when you get to this part, you want to just take your bead and you're going to slide that on like that, and you're going to come and tie these 2 together. Tie them together. Tie it as tight as you can, but don't tie it so tight that you pop it. Okay. So that's 1 tie. And then we're going to tie it 1 more time. That's 2. And then we're going to tie it 1 more time. I normally tie mine about 3 times. Okay. Now once you tie it, this is what your bracelet should look like. All right, that's what you're gonna have. And you're gonna, when you get to this part, right here, you're gonna see your little knot. You can take your glue and put it on your knot and pull it through like that, okay? Now, before I do that, I'm going to just snip off that extra cord, okay? And this is what your bracelet is going to look like. All right. Now, whenever you wear a stretch cord bracelet, always make sure you don't want to pull it like that. You don't want to pull it because you want to preserve the elastic for as long as you can. You roll it up on your hand. So you'll just take it and roll it just like that. And here is your men's bracelet. Okay, here it is. It's nice, it's different, simple, okay, and it's sharp. It's sharp, and he can wear this anywhere. He can wear this to many occasions because, for one, of all the colors, it has silver, it has black, it has a hint of white in it. It's gorgeous, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous. So here's your bracelet. All right. So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all so much for joining me for this here how to make video. Make plenty, plenty, plenty. And once again, don't forget to thumbs up the video, like, and share. And until my next upload, I want to say thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.